Hello students! It's now time to learn and explore life with technology and livelihood education. I am your TLE buddy, Teacher Jeff, and you're watching DepEd TV.
Agri-HAI-NICT, I'm here, Sir Jeff, your TLE buddy. Your safety is our priority as we turn your dreams into reality. Be future ready with TLE.
Have you ever seen a table? Yes, that is a table, but how about a table composed of rows and columns? This is an example of a spreadsheet table. Now I want you to look for the Microsoft Office programs that can be found inside this table. You will find it in all the possible directions. You have a minute to look for the different MS Office programs. Did you find the word Excel? It is located in the first row starting from the 4th column up to the 8th column. How about the word Publisher? It is located in the last column. The word PowerPoint can be found diagonally going up from the last row. How about Word? It is located in the first column starting from the 2nd row downwards. Did you enjoy the activity? Today, we will learn more about spreadsheet tables. In our last episode, we discussed about audio and video conferencing. The Venn diagram shows that audio and video can be both used for conferencing. Audio conferencing is sometimes called teleconferencing and traditionally means using a telephone instrument to conduct a business meeting, while video conferencing is the use of video and audio devices to connect two or more people in different locations on the globe, simultaneously and in real time using the internet. Let us now make ourselves familiar with the words that we will encounter in this episode. Can you guess these unfamiliar words? Arrange the given letters to identify these unfamiliar words. Let's start! It refers to the process of creating messages composed of characters, numbers, and symbols using mobile devices. And the first word is text entry. Composed of numbers that can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and use in formulas. And the second word is numeric data, used to calculate the value of the cell from the contents of the other cells. And the third word is formula. Consists of a circle divided into a number of segments which represent the value of data. And the fourth word is pie chart. Uses bars to present values. And the fifth word is bar graph. Remember this word so that it will be easier for you to fully understand our lesson for today. Probably the most popular electronic spreadsheet program that we use today is Microsoft Excel. You may have used it before or may be familiar with it since it is always included in Windows and Microsoft Office package. It uses columns and rows like a table where you enter data in each cell. Spreadsheets can help you do basic math such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can also do the following. Format the column titles with text. Enter textual information in each cell aside from numbers. Delete, add, or merge columns or rows. Add or delete sheets and select printing options. Microsoft Excel also has its own parts. File tab, name box, select all button, sheet tab scrolling button, status bar, quick access toolbar, active cell, row headings, sheet tabs, title bar, formula bar, column headings, worksheet window, ribbon, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, zoom control, view shortcuts. Get a paper and a pen and answer the following activities. Activity number 1. Identify the symbol of the given operation in inserting text and numeric data. Choose your answer from the box. Write the symbol of the correct answer in your answer sheet. Number 1. Exponentiation. Raised to the power. And the correct answer is number 2. Greater than. And the correct answer is number 3. Concatenation or joins text. And the correct answer is number 4. Division. And the correct answer is number 5. Multiplication. And the correct answer is activity number 2. Unscramble the letters to spell out the content being described. Number 1. It refers to the process of creating messages composed of characters, numbers, and symbols using mobile devices. And the correct answer is text entry. Number 2. Composed of numbers that can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and use in formulas. And the correct answer is numeric data. Number 3. Used to calculate the value of the cell from the contents of the other cells. And the correct answer is formula. Number 4. Consists of a circle divided into a number of segments which represent the value of data. And the correct answer is pie chart. Number 5. Uses bars to present values. And the correct answer is bar graph. Did you enjoy our activity? Prepare yourself as we learn more about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel no longer provides a chart wizard. Instead, you can create a basic chart by clicking the chart type that you want on the Insert tab in the Charts group. Here are the steps in creating a chart in MS Excel. Number 1. Enter the data for the chart on a worksheet. Number 2. Compute for the chart table values. Letter A. Enter an average formula in cell G4. Example, equals average, open and close parenthesis, C4 colon F4. You may also use the Excel function formula, computing for the averages for each subject areas. Letter B. Press enter to see the computed average value for cell G4. Letter C. Select G4, then drag from G4 to G8 using the mouse to apply formula to other cells. This will automatically display the average value of the other subject areas, then press enter. Letter D. Compute the general average. Click cell G9, then enter the formula equals average, enter open and close parenthesis, G4 colon G8. Click enter to show the value. Number 3. Select the data for the chart. Letter A. Select the cells from A4 to A8 by dragging the mouse button. Then hold the control key to select from the G4 to G8. Grade average of each of the different subject areas. Letter B. Select a chart type that you want on the Insert tab in the Charts group. For this exercise, select pie chart in 3D. Number 4. Create a chart by double-clicking the selected chart or by pressing enter. Select a pie chart. Excel will automatically plot the value of your worksheet to your selected chart. Number 5. You can modify one or more of the following elements. Letter A, chart title. Letter B, axis title. Letter C, legend. Letter D, data levels. Letter E, data table. Letter F, axis. Letter G, grid lines. Number 6. Save the Excel document. Note, use any of the following methods to save the active workbook. Number 1. Click the Office button, then choose Save. Number 2. Click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. Number 3. Press Ctrl plus S. And number 4, press Shift plus F12. Get a piece of paper and a pen and answer the questions that will be shown on the screen. Read and understand each statement carefully. Choose the letter of the best answer and write it on your answer sheet. You will be given 5 seconds to answer each item. Number 1. It displays the data that you have entered in the worksheet. Letter A, toolbar. Letter B, name box. Letter C, sheet tabs. Letter D, formula bar. And the correct answer is letter D, formula bar. Number 2. It is located at the bottom of the window. Letter A, name box. Letter B, status bar. Letter C, sheet tabs. Letter D, formula bar. And the correct answer is letter B, status bar. Number 3. It is a set of drop-down menus with all the Excel features. Letter A, toolbar. Letter B, menu bar. Letter C, sheet tabs. Letter D, formula bar. And the correct answer is letter B, menu bar. Number 4. It is like a filing system and a calculator. It is made up of grids where you can enter data and text. Letter A, MS Word. Letter B, Spreadsheet. Letter C, MS Publisher. Letter D, MS PowerPoint. And the correct answer is letter B, Spreadsheet. Number 5. It is composed of numbers that you can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and use in the formula. Letter A, formula. Letter B, text entry. Letter C, numeric data. Letter D, none of the above. And the correct answer is letter C, numeric data. Number 6. You can use for the titles, heading, and other notes. Letter A, formula. Letter B, text entry. Letter C, numeric data. Letter D, none of the above. And the correct answer is letter B, text entry. Number 7. You can use to calculate the value of the cell from the contents of the other cells. Letter A, formula. Letter B, text entry. Letter C, data entry. Letter D, numeric data. And the correct answer is letter A, formula. Number 8. What does this symbol stand for? Letter A, division. Letter B, equal to. Letter C, exponent. Letter D, multiplication. And the correct answer is letter C, exponent. Number 9. What does this symbol stand for? Letter A, division. Letter B, equal to. Letter C, exponent. Letter D, multiplication. And the correct answer is letter A, division. Number 10. What does this symbol stand for? Letter A, division. Letter B, equal to. Letter C, exponent. Letter D, multiplication. And the correct answer is letter D, multiplication. So, what's your score? If you got 10, very good. You're on the right track. If not, that's okay. We will have a short review on the next episode. Data analysis is one business area which has improved immensely with the advent of ICT. There are various methods on how to analyze the data, such as frequency distribution, percentage, average, value, or graphs. ICT has automated many of the processes involved. As a result, data are generated faster and with minimal or close to 0% of error. Let us summarize our lesson through this activity. Get a paper and a pen and write your answers. Write a check mark if the statement refers to functions and formulas in an electronic spreadsheet tool in performing calculations on numerical data, and cross if not. Number 1. A spreadsheet is like a filing system and a calculator. Check is the correct answer. Number 2. Text entry are used for titles, headings, and other notes. Check is the correct answer. Number 3. Formula used to calculate the value of the cell from the contents of the other cells. Check is the correct answer. Number 4. Numeric data composed of numbers that can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and use of formulas. Check is the correct answer. Number 5. A pie chart consists of a circle divided with a number of segments which represent the value of the data. Check is the correct answer. Number 6. A bar graph uses bars to present values. Check is the correct answer. Number 7. Create a basic chart by clicking the chart type that you want on the Insert tab in the Charts group. Check is the correct answer.
Number 8. The data for a chart should be inserted in a cell in spreadsheets. Cross is the correct answer. Number 9. In a spreadsheet, you can only modify an element. Cross is the correct answer.
Number 10.
In a spreadsheet,
The formula starts with an equal sign. Check is the correct answer. Identify the parts of MS Excel being described in each item. Write your answer in your answer sheet. Number 1. It displays both the name of the application and the name of the spreadsheet. And the correct answer is title bar. Number 2. It refers to the number of columns included in a spreadsheet. And the correct answer is 256. Number 3. It refers to the number of rows in a spreadsheet. And the correct answer is 65,536. Number 4. It shows the address of the current selection or active cell. And the correct answer is name box. Number 5. It displays the information entered or being entered as you type in the current active cell. And the correct answer is formula bar. Number 6. It is an intersection of a column and a row and has a unique cell address. And the correct answer is cell. Number 7. It allows you to move to another worksheet in an Excel workbook. And the correct answer is navigation buttons. Number 8. It automatically shows in the workspace when you open the Microsoft Excel program. And the correct answer is workbook. Number 9. It is located along the right edge of the screen and used to move up or down the spreadsheet. And the correct answer is vertical scroll bar. Number 10. It is located at the bottom of the screen and used to move left and right across the spreadsheet. And the correct answer is horizontal scroll bar. Congratulations if you got a perfect score. If not, you can still review by watching this episode in our official DepEd YouTube channel. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with our new video lessons. I hope that you have learned a lot today. Just have faith in God and ask Him to direct your ways according to His plans. This has been your TLE buddy, Teacher Jeff, saying, be future ready with TLE. Don't forget our hashtag skills mo sagot ko, and hashtag DepEdTV.